Dante, what do you have?
Sinkhole.
A sinkhole?
Yeah.
How did that happen?
We made it.
You made it?
Well, with Daddy's help.
Can you climb into it?
Yeah.
Show me. Try not to collapse it.
And our store part something
Oh yeah.
made that.
Yeah.
It's like those two things.
Yeah. Are you gonna dig it out? Dig out all the sand that's gone in. Dig it out.
Not one of these.
Quick, 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 like a bunny. Hey, don't throw it at me. Just dig it out quick. What did we find when we were digging for that?
A clam.
What kind of clam?
Horse clam.
Horse clam?
Yeah, not a gooey duck.
Not a gooey duck.
Because gooey ducks are much bigger.
Oh, look it. It's just about to maybe go away. Let's see what happens if I try and pick it up. No, it's not quite gotten out of its defense mechanism yet. Yeah, just leave it. We just came across this on the side, so we didn't have to grab it.
Injured one.
Yeah.
And a couple of small ones.
And some small ones, yeah. It was just fell apart in a big chunk of the sand when we pulled it out, but we're going to put it back in the water.
It's the one that we found in the sink.
So that it can live.
We're not killing them to eat them.
We're not killing them to eat them, no. Oh, another big chunk of the sinkhole. There it goes. Oh my. Oh, there's like a wormy thing. Look. Look at that worm. Look at Dante. Look at.
Can't see.
Look over there. See, it's a dangly thing.
Oh yeah.
See it?
Tangled in there. That's a seam worm. They do bite you.
They do bite you?
Yeah.
Oh,
They can get really aggressive
can they? It just keeps collapsing in.
and collapsing. They're really aggressive.
Are they?
Sometimes they don't bite you.
Cool. Wow. It's a weird looking thing, eh? It's gonna burrow into the sand. There it goes. Ah, fascinating.
Can I try holding it?
No, just let it go.
Wait, no.
No, Dante, just let it go.
Why?
No, Dante, just let it go.
It's not moving. They do live in the water.
I
Oh,
was trying to figure out where to dig to.
what is that thing inside it?
Well, that's how it digs. That's how its body works.
So weird.
Should we just put it in the other hole?
Yeah.
Okay, you put it on the other hole. Okay, quick. Put it over in the other hole. Right in there. Yeah. Cool. Okay, leave it alone.
The water.
Just leave them alone. Okay, are you going to dig out more of the sinkhole? Oh, more is collapsing.
No!
Got to dig it out.
More. No. I will have a water gun fight. I will have a water gun fight.
Look at all this eelgrass. What a healthy aquatic environment. Eelgrass is home to so many different types of life. And it's a beautiful day on the east coast of the west coast of BC. Well, the east coast of Vancouver Island. The west coast of British Columbia. It's confusing, I know. Oh. So he's signaling with a flashlight. It looks like you're taking it for a walk, Alice. Walk alongside it. Just a girl in her chip bag, going for a walk.
Nothing to see here. Just a chip bag and a
Okay, grab it and run back. Pick it up, come back.
I wanted to go in the water. Yay!
Bring it back. Don't get mucky, Dante. Come back.
I like watching. No, we're not done the video. Don't end the video. Fashion show. I need to be in the video. I'm really photogenic. I'm really photogenic. Yeah. And I'm a star. Go look at my star.
Hey.